Now start with a new chapter, chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. In moving charges, suppose having body move, and in magnetism, magnetic produce a field, and the magnetic field straight caused current in a straight wire, or which shows deflection, like we have a magnet north pole and south pole which shows deflections. Now first, magnetic field due to a straight long current carrying wire. In this wire is perpendicular to the plane of paper and current is emerging out. Current क्या है? Emerging out होता है. Here first we have in outward current position, and for inward we have this current position. Reverse the direction of current, reverse the orientation of the needle. जैसे ही डायरेक्शन की करंट की डायरेक्शन को रिवर्स करेंगे तो उसकी ओरिएंटेशन क्या होगी नीडल की, वो भी रिवर्स हो जाएगी. नाउ मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, इन मैग्नेटिक फोर्स E इज इक्वल्स टू 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट कैपिटल Q बाय R स्क्वायर आर वेक्टर, वेयर magnetic field is a vector field like electric field and it's found to be obey the principle of superposition. Magnetic field Lorentz force F is equals to Q E V cross B. So we have F electric and F magnetic. Here the force exerted by a magnetic field is called magnetic force and it's written as F is equals to Q V into B or V cross B vector. Direction of magnetic force, here theta is equals to 90 degree. The magnetic force is maximum in magnitude. So F maximum is equals to QV B. Here we have theta B, V and V cross B. Now for Fleming left hand rule, in Fleming left hand rule, when we stretch the thumb, suppose ये हमारा thumb है and first two fingers, ये हमारी क्या है, first two fingers of left hand, and mutually the direction perpendicular such that V and B, then thumb point along F, thumb क्या, point along, thumb point along F. Okay. Now motion of charge particles in a magnetic field. In magnetic field, kinetic energy of the particle does not change due to magnetic force. Magnetic force की वजह से kinetic energy क्या है, वो change नहीं होगी. Here we have angle theta and B and V. So now where we have F is equals to QVB sin theta. In QVB sin theta, here some initial conditions we have. Suppose case first, in case first we have theta is equals to 0 or 180 degree. Now path followed, path क्या follow करता है, straight line, path followed straight line. Now if a charged particle through parallel or anti-parallel, straight line है, so इसमें suppose we have parallel or anti-parallel line. Here theta is equals to 0 or theta is equals to 180 degree. पाथ फॉलो, सपोज क्यू डायरेक्शन ये है एंड क्यू की डायरेक्शन इसमें ये है. ये किसके लिए है, थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0 और ये थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. नाउ पार्टिकल इज थ्रोन पैरेलल और एंटी पैरेलल. ये वी हैव कंटिन्यू टू मूव इन ए, ये क्या होगा, कंटिन्यू टू मूव इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, या पैरेलल हो या फिर एंटी पैरेलल, कंटिन्यू टू मूव इन स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो वी हैव विद अ कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. सो एफ वेक्टर mod equals to QVB sin 0 equals to total 0. Now assuming case second, in case second if theta is equals to 90 degree and path क्या फुल लोड होगा, सर्कुलर. in circular when charged particle projected perpendicular to a magnetic field. Path क्या होगा? Path is circle. So with a constant speed. So F is equals to QVB NV square divided by R. So R क्या हो जाएगा? R is equals to MV divided by QB. For angular velocity ओमेगा क्या होती है? V by R equals to QB by M. So now time period 2 pi by omega क्या हो गया? 2 pi M QB. So now frequency of revolution F is equals to 1 by T, which is equals to QB divided by 2 pi M. Now case third is theta is other than 0 or 180 and 90 डिग्री. थीटा क्या होगा? अदर देन 0, 180 एंड 90 डिग्री. पाथ फॉलोड क्या होगा? हेलिकल होगा. पाथ फॉलोड इज हेलिकल. इन हेलिकल पाथ फॉलोड a uniform magnetic field such that velocity is not parallel and anti-parallel or perpendicular to the magnetic field. Here we have V perpendicular, V sin theta हो जाएगा. And for V parallel, V is equals to V cos theta. And the component perpendicular to the magnetic field, V perpendicular is equals to V sin theta. Then we have result is a helical path. In helical path we have radius of the helix is equal to R is equals to mv sin theta divided by qb. एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन क्या थी हमारे पास? QB 2 pi m थी. एंड टाइम क्या था? 2 pi m QB. सो पिच क्या हो जाएगी हेलिक्स की? इट इज अ डिस्टेंस मूव्ड बाय चार्ज अलोंग B एक्सिस फिर वन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन. सो पिच इज इक्वल्स टू V पैरेलल T इज इक्वल्स टू V cos थीटा 2 pi m डिवाइडेड बाय QB. पिच क्या है? इधर ये कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन. कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन ये क्या है? पिच ऑफ हेलिक्स. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज motion in a combined electric and magnetic field. In combined electric and magnetic field, we have F is equals to Fe plus Fm. Here we have F is equals to Q E plus V cross B vector. Now for velocity selector, we have consider a case where we have electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. Here we have and also perpendicular to the velocity of the particle. Here we have V plus Q E X Y Z plane F E and B. Now we have E is equals to EJ, B is equals to BK and V is equals to VI. Okay. Now Fe is equals to QE for electric field. Now for magnetic field, Fm is equals to Q V cross B. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के लिए है, ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के लिए. नाउ कंबाइनिंग बोथ ऑफ देम, एफ ई प्लस एफ एम. Combine these two equations, we have q ej q vi into b k vector. After solving, we get f is equals to q e minus vb j, which shows that the electric and magnetic field are in opposite directions as shows. Electric and magnetic forces in opposite directions. Electric and magnetic force क्या है? Both are in opposite directions. Then total force on the charge is 0 and the charge will move in the field undeflected. That happens that QE equals to QVB. Then we have V is equals to E by B. Now this can be used to select charged particle of a particular velocity out of beam containing charges. Only particles with speed E by V pass undeflected. Only E by B pass undeflected through the region of crossed field.